Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to clear or remove text formatting and effects in Microsoft Word document. Here are some texts for bad formatting and effects. It happened when you copy some data from internet for your work like a letter or assignment. So if you go one by one, it gets a lot of time. But here is the feature: you can format all the effects just by one click. For this, click on Home and go to Styles. You can see some format and very bad format here. So go Home and Styles and click here. Before it, you select all by pressing Ctrl A and click in Style, this down arrow, and click on Clear Formatting. So now you can see all the text are simple without any effect or bad format. But you need to remove background color. So again select all by pressing Ctrl A and click here in font and select no color. So by this simple method you can remove all formatting and effects in Microsoft Word document. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.